Hi guys, I thought I'd do a vlog here. I'm at the cottage. See, here I am. And I'm cat sitting. There's the cat, one of the cats I'm sitting. Get up. This is one of the cats I'm babysitting. Cat sitting for. This is Mustang. She's a feline. Can you say hello, Mustang? Say hello, Mustang, Daddy. Say hello. No? No, don't knock my... Get your butt out of the spring. No? Okay. She's not very fancy. So... yeah, let's go find the other cat I'm cat sitting. Don't know where she went. It's just... her name is Jingle Bells. Oh my gosh, you guys. Made a mess. Oh my gosh, I literally stuck to my feet. Now, this is the card. Well, I love that little thing. It's so cute. So, can't see. She's probably in the bedroom. She doesn't like me. She's a boxing cat. I don't know where Jingle Bells is. Oh, there you are. Look, there's Jingle Bells. Go say hi, Jingle Bells. I'm sorry, I disturbed you. I'm sorry. So yeah. So I'm up here. I might see if my thing wants to go outside. But other than that, don't think so. Do you want to go out? Do you want to go outside, my thing? Do you want to go outside? Want to come outside? Look, she's very happy that I'm here. She loves me. Look, she's wagging her tail. Oh, she loves me. Kilo. So, this is part 1 of Cat Diaries. Be sure to check in tomorrow for Cat Diaries part 2. Okay, see y'all later.